Is it time to buy or sell Sprott Physical Silver Trust stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Sprott Physical Silver Trust. Our initial report was published on Thursday, the 16th of October, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 20th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Sprott Physical Silver Trust as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of over 40% since we initially recommended purchasing Sprott Physical Silver Trust 41 days ago. This translates to an average return of nearly 1% each day since it was classified as hold accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts high volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, we find it challenging to ascertain the stock's next direction, as it could potentially move in either direction. The stock has broken through the wide and strong rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. In the event of a pullback, there will now be support at the level of $17.54, which may present a second opportunity to capitalize on this upward movement. According to fan theory, $19.57 is projected to be the next potential peak, serving as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 34.64% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 15.58% and 30.70%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 41.45%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 1.64% and 29.24% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $17.77 and $23.35. Our latest daily update for Sprott Physical Silver Trust includes the headline: Sprott Physical Silver Trust, stock price up 1.98% on Thursday. The Sprott Physical Silver Trust stock price increased by 1.98% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 16th of October, 2025. The price rose from $17.72 to $18.07. During this trading day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.70%, ranging from a low of $17.67 to a high of $18.15. The price has risen in 7 out of the last 10 days and has increased by 14.66% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 1 million shares, with a total of 21 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $385.51 million. It is important to consider that a decline in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $18.15, while the lowest price was $9.60. Currently, the price is 0.44%, or 8 cents below the 52-week high of $18.15, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Sprott Physical Silver Trust, identified by the ticker PSLV, has recently achieved a significant milestone, net assets exceeding $10 billion. Earlier this year, the trust expanded its at-the-market equity program, allowing for up to $1 billion in new unit issuance. These developments highlight the increasing demand from investors for physical silver and provide the trust with the flexibility to create new shares in response to these inflows. The market activity surrounding PSLV has been noteworthy. It has experienced approximately a 24% increase over the past year, amidst a widespread rally in silver prices, heightened interest from retail investors, and surges in short sale volume that led to elevated trading activity and periodic squeeze dynamics. Additionally, the rising industrial demand for silver, coupled with predictions of higher mining output, supports a positive long-term supply and demand outlook. In the short term, one can expect continued volatility. News flows, short covering, and retail trading can lead to sharp intraday movements and gap risks. Over the long term, a larger net asset value, robust inflows, and genuine industrial demand suggest a sustainable upward potential for the trust's unit price, though investors should consider the possibility of dilution from the at-the-market program and the sensitivity of commodity prices to macroeconomic conditions. Analysts have assigned Sprott Physical Silver Trust stock a general sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Sprott Physical Silver Trust. The Sprott Physical Silver Trust stock currently displays buy signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these averages, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at the levels of $17.11 and $15.15. A decline below either of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, August 19, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 43.19%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, a buy signal is indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It is worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, close attention should be paid to the stock. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 42 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 21 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 43 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal from 41 days ago, the long-term moving average, buy signal from 131 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, buy signal from 171 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Sprott Physical Silver Trust. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $16.13 and $16.08. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this case, Sprott Physical Silver Trust finds support just below today's level at $16.13. If this support is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $16.08 and $15.73. This stock has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved 478 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, or 2.7%. Over the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 2.7%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Sprott Physical Silver Trust, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could indicate either a low expectation for the company's future or that the stock may be undervalued, suggesting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of November, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Sprott Physical Silver Trust. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upwards swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, Sprott Physical Silver Trust encounters its first support level at $16.13. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $17.56, reflecting a decrease of 2.82%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 84, which significantly heightens the risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal stemming from a pivot bottom identified 41 days ago. Is Sprott Physical Silver Trust stock a good buy? Sprott Physical Silver Trust presents several positive indicators. However, these do not fully support a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it is advisable to consider this stock as a hold or accumulate while we wait for further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 17th of October, we anticipate that Sprott Physical Silver Trust will open lower by approximately 10.6 cents, beginning trading at $17.96. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.